Tell party people in the place to be, like my friend in the good book says, the thing that we have feared has came upon us. As of December 23rd, 2025, DJI has been banned in the US. We knew it was coming, it happened, and here it is. So now, let's get to it. That does not mean that as of December 24th, 2025, that if you fly your drones, they're gonna fall out the sky. What this means is, quick, fast, in a hurry, is if DJI was to release any product after the 23rd, it's banned in the US. So that means you can still purchase your Mavic 4 Pros because guess what? It was manufactured before the 23rd of December 2025. So you can still get your drones. It's just the Mavic 5 or the Mini 6, you may not be able to get that. So party people in the place to be, we knew it was coming. We knew what it was. It's an unfortunate thing. Maybe it'll change, who knows. But as of right now, you still can fly your drones. You still can use all your DJI products. We just won't be able to get the new stuff. We are not going to be behind in drone technology here in the US because of these politicians ain't got nothing else better to do but to mess with these drones. So maybe they know something we don't know. I highly doubt it, but hey, it is what it is. So you can still go out to eBay. You can still go on Amazon and get these bad boys. You just won't be able to get the DJI refresh, but maybe whatever store that you buy them from will still have some kind of warranty just in case something goes wrong. There it is without any fancy smancy. We tried to fight it. We knew it was coming. All we can do is adapt, adjust, and move on. So, what y'all think about it? Are you still gonna buy you some DJI drones from eBay, Amazon, and other outlets? Or are you just gonna give up and try to find some kind of replacement, which is gonna be hard as hell? Anyway, comment down below, people. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer, aka your Uncle Rico. The next episode, people. Peace.